Hey guys, just one animal. There are fish, rabbit, bird, cow, cat, mouse. We just mouse, yeah? Okay. Before we next, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. We choose mouse. Yeah, mouse, one berry. There is berry. Click berry. Click and berry. Berry. More berry. More berry. More berry. And more berry. Oh, there is more berry. And mouse. Wow. Mouse. He has cheese. Come on, we're coloring this mouse like this. So, wow, the blue one. The color is blue one. This is yellow. Wow. Wow. Come on. Wow, perfect. Wow. The mouse puzzle. What can I do? How about this? This here. Move here. No. Here. No. How about this? Yeah. And this? Here. No. Here. No. Here. No. Here. Yeah. And this one? Here. Yeah. That's right. And this? Where is? This. Yeah. This eyes? Where's? This is? No. Here. Wow. And the last one? Here. Yeah. The perfect mouse. Yeah. What's next? What's next? What's next? What animal? What? Berry? Berry. We click berry. Click berry. Click berry and berry. What? This is fish. Fish in the cupboard. Come on, coloring this fish. The blue water. Fish is yellow color. More. Wow. Orange and yellow. Wow, the perfect fish. What? The fish puzzle. How about this? We have to move this puzzle. Here? No. Here? No. Here? Yeah. It's ice. And here? No. Here? Yes. Right. Cup top. Here? No. Here? Yeah. No. We wrong. How about this? Yes. And this one? Here. That's right. This one? No. What's more? In here, yes. Once more, the last one. Here, yes. The perfect fish. We get it. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.